Hello.
Man, that's sick. Alright. Hello guys, how are you doing? And welcome to a new video. Hello guys, welcome to my first YouTube video on my new channel. And today I brought my two boobs here. Boob 1, boob 2. Yeah. No, not that boob. I brought them to do the sister asks brother question. Yeah, they're gonna ask the question. So let's do this. First question.
And if he gets the question, then he drink.
Oh,
Pass the
there
juice.
is a challenge.
Pass the juice.
Get the juice.
If he gets the question wrong, he'd have to drink. Take a sip of that.
Pass it. Thank you. Alright, this is the trick, guys. If I get the question wrong, I'm gonna have to drink this. And mind you, they made this. I didn't make it. So I don't know what they put in this. It looks... it smells awful and it looks awful.
First question.
First question is...
How old am I?
This is an easy one. You are 12.
Yes.
Ah.
How old am I?
You are 15.
When's my birthday?
For long.
Alright.
When's my birthday?
Your birthday is July.
When's my birthday?
Alright, your birthday is July 8th.
Hey! Drink the juice.
Oh my gosh.
I'll sip. Ew! Ew!
What are you saying? What are you saying?
Kool-Aid, Kool-Aid, iced tea, rum, cheese, garlic,
Alright.
cheese, garlic, milk, pepper.
YOLO.
Drink, drink. It is.
This question. That really tastes bad.
Ew.
Oh.
Just a reminder, that juice has iced tea, Kool-Aid, rum, milk, pepper, garlic, and cheese.
Next question.
When is my birthday?
August 13th.
Correct! What is my shoe size?
Your shoe size is size 4.
Wrong.
Oh.
Drink the juice. Ew. Ew! Don't eat! Ew!
Don't do this at home, guys. Next question.
What's my shoe size?
What's your shoe? What's up with the shoe size, man? I don't get it. Size 9.
But don't drink.
This one can pass.
Ah.
Ew.
Next question.
What's my favorite color?
No, it's my turn.
No, you just go a while ago.
This one go again now.
Alright.
Where was I born?
What kind of
Which
question?
hospital was I born in?
Mandeville Hospital.
Ank! How can you say one?
Ew.
No. You can get this now.
Ow!
What's my favorite color?
Blue.
Yes.
What's my favorite color?
Pink.
Purple.
What?
What's my best friend's name?
Frashikwa.
Kishana.
Ow!
Frosh Queen. What's my best friend's name?
Randisha. Randisha, remember?
Rhonda.
Ow! I think I'm gonna stop. What's your favorite food?
Yeah.
Fried chicken.
Don't have one wrong.
Ow!
Okay.
Alright, you know what? That's it for today, guys. I think they got the questions down. So,
Like, share, comment,
Subscribe.
subscribe.
You know you want.
Oh, you
I'm
want
gonna put this on YouTube.
No!